Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the key rules you need to know for trading with Phidias PropFirm in 2025. Our goal is to help you understand the rules deeply so you can succeed, whether you're starting an evaluation or trading live. We'll cover profit targets, drawdowns, trading hours, instruments, and more. Stick with us to get the full picture. This knowledge can make all the difference between passing and failing. So pay close attention, and let's get started. Hey, quick heads up! I've got exclusive discounts and coupon codes from 30% to 90% waiting for you in the description, thanks to our partnership with major prop firms in the market. And if you want detailed, honest reviews on funded trading programs and prop firms, just head over to tradingfunder.com. All right, let's continue with the presentation. Profit targets and evaluation. To start, your main goal is reaching a profit target. For example, on a 50K account, you need to make around $4,000, which is about 8% of the starting balance. Larger accounts like 100K require about 6%, so roughly $6,000. For the static 25K account, it's $1,500. These targets aren't huge, but you need to hit them to qualify for funding. Think of it as a marathon. You need consistent, controlled gains, not just a lucky big day. It's important to plan your trades to steadily reach that target without risking too much. Remember, hitting your profit target is just the first step. Maintaining discipline to avoid violations is crucial. Maximum drawdown and trailing threshold. The trailing drawdown is your main risk boundary. For a 100K account, you start with a 3,000 limit. If your account hits a new high, the drawdown threshold moves up, but it never moves down. For example, if you start at 100K and end the day at 105K, your threshold moves from 97K to 102K. But if you drop below that, the account fails. Importantly, there's no separate daily loss limit. Your only risk is the overall trailing threshold. This means you can have bad days, but your losses can't go beyond the trail. This system rewards consistency and careful risk management over time. Drawdown mechanics and examples. Think of the trailing drawdown as a floating floor beneath your account. It starts a fixed distance below your initial balance. Each day, if you make a profit and end higher, the floor rises closer behind your new high, but it never falls back. If your account drops to or below that floor at any time, your account is closed. For example, if you start at 100K with a 3K trail and end at 105K, the floor moves from 97K to 102K. But if you drop below 102K during the day, that's a violation. Intraday swings don't immediately affect the threshold. Only the end-of-day calculation matters. This encourages traders to be consistent and cautious with risk. How trailing threshold works in practice. Let's look at how this works. If you start a 50K account with a 2.5K trail, your initial threshold is 47.5K. If during the day your account rises to 52K and closes there, the threshold moves up to 49.5K. The next day, if your account dips but stays above 49.5K, the trail stays. If it hits or drops below, the account fails. Once your account reaches your initial balance, say you grow from 50K to 53K, so your trail hits 50K, it stops moving, protecting your gains. This system ensures you lock in profits gradually without risking sudden large losses. Trading hours and session rules. You can trade nearly 24/5, from Sunday evening at 5 p.m. CST through Friday at 5:59 p.m. CST. Each day, there's a brief 1-hour break from 5:59 p.m. to 6 p.m. CT. Fundamental accounts must close all positions before the daily close. No overnight holds. Swing accounts, however, are different. They can hold positions overnight and over the weekend. giving you more flexibility. Remember, during the daily break, trading is paused. This schedule aligns with the CME hours, making it easier to plan your trades and avoid violations. Trading instruments allowed. Fidious allows trading in a wide range of futures. This includes major stock index futures like ES, S&P 500, NQ, NASDAQ, and YM, Dow. You can also trade commodities like gold, oil, and natural gas, plus cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin futures. The key point is liquidity. Only major, well-traded contracts are allowed. You can't trade individual stocks or spot forex, and certain illiquid or arbitrage strategies are banned. Always check the list of approved symbols on their platform to ensure you're trading permitted instruments. This setup offers plenty of options for diversification and day trading strategies without the complications of less liquid markets. Allowed trading hours and restrictions. You're free to trade during all the major sessions, Asian, European, US, within the trading hours. Fundamental accounts need to close all trades by 5:59 p.m. CT daily, preventing overnight risk. Swing accounts, however, can hold positions overnight and through weekends, giving more flexibility. Just remember, if there's an exchange holiday or early close, you need to adhere to those market hours. It's important to stay updated with the CME holiday schedule to avoid violations, especially if you're holding over the weekend. Managing your trades within these hours is key to staying compliant. Instruments and markets. The list of allowed instruments is extensive but focused on major futures markets. You can trade indices like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Russell, and Nikkei. Commodities such as oil, gold, and agriculture products are permitted, alongside currencies and cryptocurrencies. The idea is to stick with liquid, well-known contracts. Avoid tiny or illiquid markets that can be hard to trade efficiently. Always verify your platform's enabled exchanges and symbols to ensure compliance. This approach simplifies trading, reduces risk, and helps you stay within the rules while accessing most popular markets. Restrictions and prohibited trading. There are clear restrictions. You cannot trade stocks, CFDs, or spot forex on Fidious. Arbitrage strategies exploiting tiny price differences or ultra-illiquid contracts are banned. High-frequency trading or black box algorithms that trade hundreds of times per second are not allowed. Manual or semi-automated trading is the goal. The firm emphasizes responsible trading. No gambling, no doubling down, no risky tactics. Violating these rules can lead to disqualification. The key is to follow the numeric parameters carefully, trade responsibly, and focus on genuine skill-based strategies. Multiple accounts and copy trading. You can have up to 5 accounts of each type, and copy trading is allowed as long as it's within limits. However, you cannot exceed the maximum number of accounts or use copy trading to concentrate more capital than allowed. Also, trading for others or using accounts from restricted regions is forbidden. Always trade your own accounts and manage risk carefully across multiple accounts. This flexibility allows you to diversify strategies but requires discipline to stay within the rules. Summary and key takeaways. To wrap up, remember the core rules. Hit your profit target without breaching the trailing drawdown. Respect trading hours. Close daily for fundamental. Hold overnight if swing. Stick to approved instruments. And trade responsibly. Consistency and discipline are your best allies. If you follow these principles, success is within reach. Always double-check specific account rules, and don't forget to visit tradingfunder.com for more info and the latest discounts from prop firms. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and good luck trading. Conclusion and final tips. Thanks for staying with us. Remember, understanding the rules deeply is your biggest advantage. It helps you avoid violations and keeps your path smooth. Always stay updated. Visit tradingfunder.com for the latest info, discounts, and tips. Use these rules to your benefit. Manage your risk, plan your trades, and stay disciplined. Trading is a journey of continuous learning, so keep improving. We wish you the best of luck in your funded trading career.